Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Robbie Fletcher. I'm Commissioner of Education for the state of Kentucky. Some of my earliest memories growing up in rural eastern Kentucky involved my dad, who was a bulldozer operator. There would be times that he would allow me to stand between his knees and operate the bulldozer. Sometimes he'd allow me to operate a backhoe. And I had a lot of opportunities to utilize heavy equipment, everything from small dump trucks to end loaders and many other pieces of equipment like that. So when I was asked to read a book to talk about agriculture within our state, I thought about one book, Construction Site, Farming Strong All Year Long. Because it takes those heavy equipment, those pieces of heavy equipment, and allow our students to see how they can be involved in the big picture of agriculture throughout our state. So let's get started. It's early spring, the day's begun, as 6 tough trucks rise with the sun. They roll through mud and spots of snow and look down at a farm below. Big tractor revs and greets the crew, vroom. And pickup truck says, "Hi there," too, beep beep. In spring, the farm's a busy place. There's work to do, no time to waste. A springtime washout cracked a road, so dozer fills it, load by load. The dump truck hauls debris away. The trucks are working hard today. To get the fields ready now, big tractor pulls a chisel plow. She churns the soil, rips up weeds, prepares the ground for planting seeds. Little tractor plants the crop. She rolls along as big seeds drop from her planter, row by row. And pretty soon, the corn will grow. Little skid steers doing chores, fixing pens and clearing floors. The cows and horses supervise the little truck that's just their size. Chicks and chickens peck and peep, while a lamb and mother sheep are snuggled up and sound asleep. Summertime brings heat and sun, and lots of work needs to be done. Sunshine and care all season long help crops grow healthy, tall, and strong. A welcome rain shower passes through. The thirsty crops need water too. After hay and wheat are cut, the balers help to roll them up. Then the bales dry in the sun. They'll be hauled in when they're all done. Hay for food and straw for beds, so every creature's warm and fed. Excavator lifts loads of ground. Bulldozer pushes dirt around. Maybe my favorite. Skid steer makes her auger spin. Then she revs and digs right in. As crane truck sets the posts and beams, dump truck hauls to helps the team. Cement mixer churning wet concrete fills the post holes nice and neat. And then he rolls around to pour a smooth and sturdy concrete floor. Then skid steer puts in all the stalls. The cows come in as nighttime falls. The day's been filled with work and fun. And now, the brand new barn is done. The days grow cooler, crops grow tall. Summertime has turned to fall. Here is Combine, strong and proud. She comes out rumbling, huge and loud. She rolls on hills and through the fields, harvesting what each row yields. Tractor pulls grain carts behind. She rolls with combine, all aligned. Auger lifts the grain up high, and tractor catches on the fly. On hilly highways, up and down, semi-trucks take grain to town. Pickup truck is everywhere, carrying things from here to there. He helps wherever there's a need, hauling tools, or straw, or feed. No job's too little or too big. Look now, he's carrying a pig. There's just one last crop to bring in. The pumpkin harvest can begin. Loader lifts, then pumpkins fly. For pumpkin carving, pumpkin pie. She harvests each and every one from dawn to dusk, and then she's done. Winter comes and strong winds blow. Bulldozer clears away the snow. And mighty crane truck is on site to fix the roof and seal it tight. Dump trucks hauling things away. Excavator brings in hay. And skid steers loading swift and sure. Her forklift holds the bale secure. The animals are safe and warm. The barn is snug against the storm. The year is coming to an end for all these strong, hard-working friends. A year of awesome work and play, of revving hard day after day, of tending animals with care, of crops to markets everywhere. Now off to rest with thoughts of thanks for good farm life, for full fuel tanks, for friends they have and work they do, for sunshine, rain, and crops that grew. All set for springtime days ahead, but now it's nighttime, time for bed. Good night, falling quilts of snow. Good night, cozy farm below. Good night, hardworking farming teams. It's been a good year. Now shh, sweet dreams. Again, this reminds me so much of growing up and being a part of a culture that uses heavy equipment for different things to help the people of the Commonwealth. And as you can see, the heavy equipment that's been highlighted here play a major role in agriculture. And we're so thankful to have this opportunity to bring this awareness to you. We appreciate all that you do. And for all the students that are out there, I appreciate your being all in, especially for agriculture.